Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan QR codes using your Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. Now the first method is right here on your home screen. You see this camera button? Tap on this, and then we're going to get into Google Lens. Tap on the camera button one more time and select Open Camera. Once you select Open Camera, Google is going to ask your permission to record a video. We're going to say while using the app. And then all you need to do is point your camera to the QR code. You will feel a subtle vibration. Here it is. It is detecting wikipedia.org. Let me bring it into the frame. Here it is, wikipedia.org. And if I tap on it, it should open wikipedia.org in the Chrome browser. Next method is through the camera application. So we're going to open the camera app, and then first of all go into settings by tapping on this icon on the bottom left, or you can always swipe up to go into the camera settings and select more settings. On the settings main page for the camera, make sure that Google Lens suggestions is enabled, and now all you need to do is again point at the QR code. Bam, here it is. You can see on the bottom it is scanning the QR code on the Pixel 8 Pro, and I'm going to select it. It is going to open it in the Chrome browser. The third method is by using your quick setting tiles. So we're going to expand our quick setting tile, tap on the edit option, and herein make sure that you have the option of QR code scanner in the active tiles. If it is not in the active tiles, it might be in the bottom. These are the inactive tiles. All you have to do is press and hold and then drag and drop it to the active section. And now if I go to the active section, I can select QR code scanner, and bam, here it is. As soon as I point it to the QR code, it scanned it. Open with Chrome, select open, bam, here it is. Wikipedia opened once again, and there it is, peeps. Those are the three ways in which you can scan QR codes on the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro.